Hello. Update on everybody at 9:45 this morning. We received our first 911 call to a tornado in the northwestern quadrant of our county. 45 minutes later, we received a second 911 call to the tornado had encumbered some of the northeast corner of our county. We have 4 complete RV parks that were damaged in the northwest corner. And now where we stand in the northeast corner is where we've had our most significant damage. We are in the Fort Drum Ranchettes area. We had our rescue that was in place, and then we have since switched over from rescue. We have not found any injuries in the northeast quadrant of our county. And now we're into the recovery and assessment mode, and we're turning that over to the fire chief.
Sheriff, just quickly, did the emergency op system work? Did people have ample warning here? How did the emergency operations system work? Michael Williams here with WPTV News Channel 5. Explain how that worked to give fair warning.
I have not had spoken with any of the residents to know if they received warning, whether they was watching the news, whether their phones have went off. I haven't been that far into the investigation at this point. We've been just rescue at this point.
Chief, Fire Chief, can you speak to the emergency system? Did it work as it was supposed to? Give them fair warning?
We do know that an alert went out through the emergency management app that we have, alerting to the tornado warning almost simultaneously by the time the news media was putting it out too. So as far as how many people were notified by that, we don't really know at this point.
Do either of you know if it was indeed a tornado? We've seen some video. It certainly looks like a tornado. The damage looks like a tornado. I know the Weather Service will be here tomorrow to assess that, but from what you've seen, and what you've spoken to, the people you've spoken to, what information do you have there?
Based on my 30 years of law enforcement knowledge and growing up in this county, you're the meteorologist, not I, so I would assume based on the damage and these trees spun around and twisted around, it had to have been a tornado, sir.
Sheriff, talk about recovery tonight, recovery efforts, how many people are seeking or need help from the Red Cross, what you're doing, and what you're also doing to secure the scene. I've had a few residents say they're worried about people coming in and picking through what's little left of their lives right now.
Absolutely. The security, the law enforcement presence will be here throughout the night and then on into tomorrow until everything can be established. So the Sheriff's Office will have a manned presence here throughout the night to assure these people that they'll be taken care of. And then emergency management and some of the assessors will be back out here in the morning, and then they'll start getting some recovery assistance and some other things to these folks that really need it.
You're trained, but talk about how tough it is to see your townspeople dealing with this kind of tragedy.
It's hard not to be trained and have those assets, but you can't do anything to help these folks right now. There's nothing that we can even console them to give them that sense of where am I going tomorrow. Some of these folks may not even have insurance. I don't know how I can help them.
Sheriff, we started with 12 and then we got to 14 and now we're at
17.
How did we get to 17?
Well, it's just through the assessment. We're finding other places, and as we continue, we will probably still continue to find others.
How many people in total then impacted tonight?
I don't know how to exact. We got 17 homes, so how many people lived in those homes at this point, we don't know.
And I assume power restoration is slowed even to the damaged homes. You've got to check if they can take power. It's going to be a long night even for
Well, my hat's off. FP&L, who is the provider of the power here, is here in force along with their tree trimming folks that's getting the lines cleared out. Waste Management has already contacted us for trash pickup, which is scheduled here in this area for tomorrow. So the community, once again, as well as the chief and I, have come together, and all our resources are making a great collaborative effort to recover just as quick as we possibly can.
Okay, Sheriff, thank you very much. Again.